In the remote, mist-shrouded hills of northeastern India, the sky doesn't just rain, it breaks. It is a world defined by a singular force, a force that has shaped the land, the culture, and the very history of our planet. 2,493 millimeters, a volume of water so vast it redefined what we thought possible. This is the story of June 1995, the story of a meteorological phenomenon that pushed the atmosphere to its absolute limit. Meghalaya, known as the abode of clouds, a place where the heavens seem to touch the earth in a perpetual embrace. At its heart lies Cherrapunji, locally known as Sora, a small town perched on a plateau 1,300 meters above sea level. To live here is to exist in a mirror world of water, a place where the air itself feels like liquid. For centuries, this region has captivated explorers and scientists alike. Its rainfall figures were so high they were often doubted. But the numbers were real. Every year, the monsoon brings a deluge that dwarfs almost any other location on the globe. The secret to this extreme weather lies in the unique geography of the Meghalaya Plateau, a vertical wall in the sky. Moisture-laden winds travel north from the Bay of Bengal, crossing 400 kilometers of flat land with zero resistance. When these winds hit the Khasi Hills, they are forced to rise, 1,300 meters in just 5 kilometers. This is orographic lift. As the air rises, it cools at a rate of 1 degree per 100 meters. The moisture condenses instantly, creating massive storms. The valleys around Sora form a natural funnel. They concentrate the moisture-laden air into a single, concentrated atmospheric trap. By mid-June 1995, a specific high-pressure system aligned with the monsoon to create the perfect atmospheric storm. In mid-June 1995, a specific high-pressure system aligned with the monsoon to create the perfect atmospheric storm. June 15, 1995. The deluge began. This was not a typical rain. It arrived with a deafening, rhythmic roar that shook the earth. By the end of that first day, 930 millimeters had fallen, nearly a meter of water in just 24 hours. Small creeks became raging rivers. The soil, already saturated, could no longer hold the weight of the sky. But the worst was yet to come. June 16th, the intensity reached its peak. 1,563 millimeters fell in a single day, a global record for the ages. The total for 48 hours, 2,493 millimeters. It was a hydraulic siege from the heavens. Nearly 100 inches of water in 2 days. A record so massive it would be studied for decades by the global scientific community. That's more rain in 2 days than New Orleans, one of America's wettest cities, sees in an entire calendar year. Let that sink in. It would take the city of London 4 years to accumulate the amount of water that fell here in just 48 hours. This region stands alone. It is the wet pole of the planet, a laboratory of extreme meteorological forces. The landscape of Sora is dominated by limestone and sandstone, hard rock that acts like a giant drain during these deluges. The intensity of the rain washes away the topsoil, leaving the plateau rocky and barren, a harsh environment for any form of life. Yet, humans have adapted. For centuries, the Khasi people have trained the roots of trees to form living bridges that withstand the floods. Unlike timber or stone, these bridges grow stronger over time, surviving hydraulic pressures that would wash away any man-made structure. It is a testament to the harmony between the people of the hills and the water that defines their world. Despite the staggering rainfall, Sora faces a paradox: water scarcity. During the winter months, the town often has to truck in water. The sheer intensity of the rain and the hard rock surface mean that most of the water simply runs off, flowing into the plains of Bangladesh. The 1995 record was not officially verified until 2014 after a meticulous global review by the World Meteorological Organization. Expert climatologists analyzed the India Meteorological Department's data, confirming its place in the history books of our planet. While it holds the 48-hour record, Sora is in a constant battle with its neighbor, Mawsynram, for the title of the wettest place on Earth. The 1995 deluge remains a benchmark for meteorological science. It helps us understand the true potential of our atmosphere. As our climate shifts, understanding these extremes becomes more critical than ever. The sky's limits are being tested. This region is a testament to the raw power of orographic lift, a unique alignment of earth and sky that creates the world's greatest rain engine. For the people of the Khasi Hills, the rain is not a disaster. It is the rhythm of life, a force that commands respect and adaptation. They have lived with the sky breaking for generations. Their stories are woven into the mist that hangs over the cliffs. Will the record of 1995 ever be broken? In a world of changing weather patterns, the answer remains hidden in the clouds. But one thing is certain, Cherrapunji will continue to be the stage for nature's most extreme aquatic displays. Nature has its limits, but in June 1995, Cherrapunji showed us that those limits are far beyond what we imagine, a reminder of our place on this planet. And sometimes, the sky doesn't just rain, it breaks. The legacy of the 1995 deluge remains etched in the clouds above Sora. Finality,